What's up guys, it's Scudder85 back in another unboxing, and this time as you can see it's for Crackdown 3. Yeah, so looking forward to playing this. Specifically the campaign. The Wrecking Zone can frankly go kiss my nuts. Yeah, the Wrecking Zone multiplayer just doesn't appeal to me whatsoever. But the single player, I love these games, absolutely love these games. Love number 1 and 2. So yeah, as you can see is what I presume is Terry Crews on the front. So yeah, Crackdown 3, there's the side, and there's the back. Step up your boom. Skills for thrills, and skills for kills. Dangerous open world playground. Turn up a Wrecking Zone. Xbox One X enhanced 4K Ultra HD and HDR. And the install size is up to 35 gig. So yeah, can't wait to play this. And inside we have Crackdown 3 disc in the shape of an orb. So that's cool. So yeah, it's my rather very quick unboxing of Crackdown 3, guys. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, I'll catch you later. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.